Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. What I have on my bench now is an RCI2970N4. This is for my good friend Marco in Switzerland. Marco, this is your RCI2970N4, and I'm about to do the enhancements, add the filters, going to give you a couple of little extra things as well, and get you going. All right, more to come. Okay, Marco, moving right along here. I got that ceramic filter replaced with a crystal filter. I still got to connect them together, connect it to the ground on the can next to it. I've got the two upgraded capacitors. I've upgraded them. I'll be upgrading them from a 1000 to a 3300 microfarad. One goes here and one goes here. Now this one has to fit right up against the side of the radio, and that one has to be bent over so they don't interfere with the amplifier. Okay, still got to punch the holes for the switches in the back to put your amp switch in there. The high cut filter and the noise filter switch all go on the back. Let's see, what else do I need to do? Oh yeah, I got to do the clarifier mod and a few other things, little things, but just giving you an update. All right, more to come. Okay, Marco, got the upgraded capacitors installed. I think I've already shown you the filter, but I did go ahead and make the ground connection from the case of the crystal filter to the case of the inductor to make sure that they're both grounded. Okay, I'm getting ready now to punch the holes in the back there for the switches, and we'll continue on. Okay, Marco, there's your CP1, your Top Gun Technologies CP1 compressor is installed there. Okay, I think that was the last thing I needed to do, so let me get it all tuned up and we'll get some power readings. I'll put the covers back on it and get some power readings. More to come. Alright, Marco, I got it set back together. I don't have the screws in it yet. Let's do some power checks here. I'm on AM on channel 20. The amp is off. Meter on the left is RMS, meter on the right is peak. We're dead keying about 18 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. And that's what, that's about 62, 64 watts peak with the amp off. Now, I'm going to switch to ×5. Which is going to make us be reading on that center scale there. 50 is 500. Let's see, did I turn the amp on? Dead key. Of course, it's going to peg that one out because it's only got a 100 watt slug in it. Let's see what it does on the peak meter. Audio. Hopefully you were able to see that. That's over 500 watts peak. Okay, let me change that slug out. I'll be right back. Okay, I got the 500 watt slug in the RMS meter. I should be keying about 275 watts. RF power's all the way up. 250, 260, 270, 280. So we're keying about 280 watts. Dead key, and then when I go to talk in it, audio, it tickles the 500 mark. Alright, that was on AM with the amp on. Now then, let me go to lower sideband. Let's see what we do on audio lower sideband. About 330 on the RMS and audio. Almost 500 on that one, but If I had a 100-watt power supply hooked up to it, we would actually see a little more than that, I think. I'm running it on my little 50-watt power supply now. It's a 50 amp power supply, not 50 watt, but 50 amp power supply. And although it says it's 50 amps, it is a switched power supply. So you never quite get 50 amps out of it. Usually around 42, 44 average, and then on peaks you'll get like 48. But you get this thing hooked up to a battery, audio, you'll be in good shape. Might even be able to talk to me over here. All right, let's go to 385. Audio, hello, audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, audio test. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, audio. That was about 340 watts RMS and 500 peak, but you can see the lights on my bench are dimming because that power supply is drawing a lot of current. Okay? Alright, more to come. Alright, Marco in Switzerland. This is your Lescom improved RCI2970N4. Hello, audio, hello, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, audio. You can see I got the 500 watt slug still in the RMS meter on the left, and the peak meter I've got on ×5 with a 100 watt slug. Okay, let me turn down my other radios in here. Alright, and let's do a receiver check. Gotta get, let's see, what channel am I on here? Get on 50, let's see, I'm on 55 now, and go down to 45, right there. Yes, S9, I've got that on 100 microvolts, 30% modulation. Okay. There's FM. Let me switch to FM mode on my signal generator. Okay. S9 there. There it is on the lower side, upper side. Okay. Go back to the international call. 555. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's switch to an external antenna. A lot of switches to keep up with. Don't hear much there, but let me demonstrate the switches. Okay, now neither the high cut or the noise filter are on. Okay, here's high cut. Now I'm lying. High cut is on. High cut off. High cut on. Noise filter on. Isn't that nice? High cut off. Noise filter on. Both off. Right. Spin this around so I can show you the back of it. I made up some labels. Okay, down they're off, up they're on. Okay, right now the noise filter and high cut are both off. There's the noise filter. There's high cut. And that's the same way I got mine set up. Okay, just like this. And I've already showed you your CP1. And let's see if we can, no, ain't nothing on 38. I got the other radio on 38. Alright, let me switch back to internal, the dummy load, so I can show you the scope. Now, let's see, what are we on? We are on, here's AM. Hello audio, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's on the AM. Here's upper sideband. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. See the way that CP1 keeps that modulation up? Audio, hello, hello audio. Oh, well, I ain't gonna be able to talk in CW, am I? Hello audio, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's in the lower sideband. So I know you didn't request the CP1. I know you didn't request a bunch of this other stuff, but Marco's got to be a good friend of mine. So I did some extra things for him, and he's been very, very patient with me taking time to get this radio going. He understood I had a whole bunch of Christmas orders to get out, and he allowed for that, and I do appreciate it. Okay, Marco, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 7-3, everybody.